Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and in this video we are going to see the day 3 of 30 days 30 floor plans in AutoCAD. So in this series we are going to learn about complete floor plan drafting from scratch, and this is our day 3. We are going to take the floor plan number 3, that is the complete 20 feet by 27 feet residential house plan in AutoCAD. It will be a step by step tutorial. Okay, so basically this is the building. This is the layout of the model floor plan which is present here. Like this way we are going to make it, and will be exported into the AutoCAD plan to a PDF format. We are going to see how to draw a staircase area, this kitchen part, this all these things, okay, in detail. So basically I have taken this drawing from the YouTube only, as I was searching, just scrolling, and I got a view on this floor plan, and it was having about 20, it was the 20 cross 25 small house design plan which is present on YouTube, and it has crossed 25 million views within 5 years. So, and it is like this. So I thought that I should make a video on it and make a improvement in this plan. Okay, as you see that it is the entrance, and this C-type staircase is present here. Then the study room is attached here. Then the bath area is present, kitchen part is present, and the two bedrooms are been present. But this is not the accurate way of presenting it. So we have make it in a proper way, like this. I will show you here. Like we have taken here as a two bedroom, okay, with the proper outer dimension of the wall as the 9 inch, and inner as the 6 inch. It has taken all the walls as the same 6 inch only. Okay, it was wrong. Then after we will be seeing for the dimension, that is the 9 feet 6 inches, and 10 feet it will be the dimension of it. Then we will be seeing here the door type. There will be the two doors, that is the door 1 will be the 3 feet, door 2 will be the 2 feet 6 inch. This main door will be the 3 feet. The inner doors will be all the 2 feet 6 inch, because it is a very small 20 feet by 26 feet 10 inch plan. Okay, so, and you can see that this bedroom part has been completed. Then after you can see that it is a toilet part here. Here we have added the ventilation. For the ventilation we have added a window for the toilet part. Then after you can see here is the kitchen. We have increased the size of the kitchen. As per this plan, the size of the kitchen was 6 feet by 6 feet. We have taken here 6 feet by 8 feet, that is 6 feet by 7 feet 11 inch. Okay, so it was the very small size for the kitchen, 6 feet by 6 feet. So we have increased the size. Same way the toilet area we have also increased, because it was the 5 feet by 6 feet, and it was the attached, so the area of 8 feet should be required. Then after you can see that a lobby is been present, the staircase area is present. Here we have added the 6 feet 2 inches of the staircase. But in this plan, what was it? It was about 8 feet and 4 inch. That is not required. We required a dog staircase. We will be seeing how to make it, and you can see it here. We will be seeing in detail how the what's the main landing part, what's the size we should take, and all this detail we should be seeing. What is the thread, what is the riser, and all the details. Okay, so of now we will be seeing this 20 feet by 27 feet floor plan. Okay, it will be the advanced part of this model. It is present on YouTube also. Okay, just get started with our model. This will be our model here, and there will be about 11 steps. So the steps will be like step 1, we have to set the unit and the limit as per the architectural. Then we have to create the layers. These are some of the layers we have to create, that is the wall layer, door, window, stairs, then the block, text, dimension, hatch. This all will be added by us in the step 2. Then we will be seeing for the step 3, that is the start plan layout. That will be room by room method. In it we will be offsetting each room and making a plan perfectly. It will be about 7 rooms types. Okay, it will be bedroom 1, bedroom 2, then the open space, then kitchen, toilet, and the study room part, then the staircase area. After that we will see the in detail how to model a staircase, dogleg staircase. Here you can see that we will be modeling this staircase here. We will be making this plan view, and what are its detail we will be seeing perfectly. Then after we will be seeing the step 4, that is the apply the thickness, wall thickness, that is the 9 inch and the 6 inch exterior and the interior walls. Then step 5, that is we will be drawing the doors which are based on the main door will be 3 feet and the internal doors that 2 feet 6 inches. We will see all of this, the offset of opening and the door swing. Then the step 6, that is the draw windows and the ventilators. Ventilators are the this toilet part window. Okay, W1 is equal to 3 feet, W2 is equal to 4 feet. As per now, we are going to see the two types of the windows in this plan. As the windows, that is the 3 feet cross 9 inch and 4 feet cross 9 inch. That 9 inch is the thickness of the wall. Then the ventilators 2 feet, two parallel lines, and all these things we will be seeing. Then the step 7, that is we will be creating the blocks. Step 8, that is we will be adding the dimension. Then after we will be seeing the step 9, that is the add text and the notes. We will be adding all the text whatever required. Then the step 10, that is the hash the walls, and the step 11, last step, that is the export as the PDF format. We will be providing it in the black and white format, and we will also provide a colorful format. Okay, and that's it. We will be seeing all these steps in detail. Okay, let's get started with our model. Okay, let's get started here. For the getting started, just to go to the start, and you will be get directed to this page. Then we have to just choose here as the new. This is the home page of AutoCAD. We have to just choose here as the new. Then the new window will open here. Then after we have to just first of all enter the first step, that is the entering the units. So first of all enter the unit, just type as the UN and enter, and then the window will of the drawing windows will open, drawing unit will open. Just close it first of all. If you are not able to get this option like here. Okay, if you are not getting this option, when if you are not getting like this option when I type UN, you are getting here option, right? But you want here the option. So how to on it? You have to go to this customization, and here we have to on this dynamic input. Here you can see that this is the dynamic input. You can directly click here and add this. This is the customization toolbar. In it here you can see that this is the dynamic input. Just on it, and when you type UN, just type UN, you can see that it has been present beside this cursor. This is called as the cursor. This middle part is called as the pick point, and this part is called as the cursor. Okay, just type UN, enter. Then after a window will open of the drawing units. In it we have to choose the length type as the architectural, because it is in the feet and inches we are going to deal. Here we will be taking the precision as the 0 feet and 0 inches, and in the insertion scale we are going to take here as the inches, and in the decimal degree and the precision 0. Just click on OK, and then after you can see that the unit are been set. Just first of all Control S and save your model wherever you want. I will save wherever the model 3 part. Okay, wherever required you can save your files. Okay, I will just name it as the plan 3 or day 3. Just click on save. After that it is been saved in the format of the .dwg format. Okay, so the next step, what is it? After we have set the unit, then we have to set the we have to start with the layer part. Okay, we can set the limit also. Okay, we will not setting it because that is not that much required, or we can just place it, just lim limits, and just click on enter. Then after we have to provide the specify the lower corner point. We will be taking here as the 0 feet, tab 0 feet, tab. We have to every time press the tab when we are placing the unit. Just enter it, and then after we have to put the upper part, that is the 30 feet, tab 30 feet, tab, and enter. And then after to set the limits, just enter Z is equal to, and then press A is equal to. You can see that the limit has been set. Okay, then after we will start with our the steps 2, that is the step 2, that is the create layers. We will be adding this much layers. Wall, door, there are basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 text are there, means layers are there. We will be adding each of them. Just go to this layer, in this layer, or you can just directly type as the LA, and enter, same window will open, and you can directly go to this layer and choose this layer property, and this same window will open. After that, we have to choose here as the new layer. In this new layer, we have to just type as the wall. Okay, then we have to just once again choose here as the window, and then after we have to just choose tab once again and choose here as the door. We can change their color, this line type, line weight, and transparency. All this detail we can change. Then after we will be adding for the hatch. Then once again click here and add for the this dimension. Text. Then we have to add 1 2 3 4 5 6. Two layers are been remaining, so we have to add for the blocks as a form of the furniture. One thing is remaining. What is it? Dimension, text, staircase area we have to add, because in this model we are going to deal with the staircase. In the last model we have seen the perfectly that how to model the staircase also, but in this part we will be seeing it more perfectly. In this staircase we just choose here as the white. We just click here on this color. In it we have to choose the color here, or you can directly choose from here above. Just click on OK, and your color has been set. We have chosen here as the green color. Then in the block we will be choosing here as the sky blue color here. Just click on OK. For the text we will be taking here as the yellow color. Okay, just click on OK. Then after in the dimension we will be choosing here as the this light red color. For the hatch we will be choosing gray color. You can change this color also as per your demand. You can change this color. Just I will choose here as the this color. Then just click on OK. For the window we will be choosing as the orange, and for the wall we will be choosing as the white. After that we have to just close it, and you can see that all these layers are now been added. Total 8 layers will be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Total 8 layers are been present. Now we will be adding one by one all these details. Okay, so how to do it? We will be choosing this floor plan, and seeing in detail the steps. Okay, you can see that this is the 20 feet and this is the 26 feet 10 inch. We will be starting from this above part. This bedroom part we will be making, then this bedroom part, then we will proceed downward. Okay, so here it is 9 inch, this is 6 inch, 9 feet 6 inch. This total distance is 10 feet. So first of all we will be making a line here, line of we will be owning this ortho here, which is the 10 feet distance. Okay, you can just click here, offset of 10 feet. First of all we have to make a line of 10 feet. Okay, it is very small line. Okay, just to move it here, we can off this ortho and move here wherever place you want. Okay, then after we have to offset it, offset of 9 inch. We will be offsetting this inside here. Then it this side distance is 9 feet 6 inch. So just choose here as the 9 feet 6 inch. Then inside wall is about 6 inch wall between two bedrooms. Then after here it is the 9 feet 6 inch, 9 feet 6 inch. Enter it once again, and here it is about 9 inch wall. Then we have to just make a line L, and choose this point here and drag till here. Then we have to place the offset of 9 inch. Just put it and press it above. Same way we have to make an offset of 10 feet downward here, and inside it will be a 6 feet as the interior wall. Okay, then we have to extend it properly. Same way here extend. There is the command for name as the EX, and you can directly enter it or press space. Just click on it, and when you just move on it, it will be extended to the second part. Means I will show you. Just TR enter and delete this part, right? Then after how to extend this to this part, there is a simple option. Just tab EX, enter. Then after we have to just press this part, select two part, and you can see that it has been joined. Okay, you can see it perfectly has been joined. Like this way it actually works. Then after you can see that the two bedroom parts have been completed, but here you can see that it is 8 feet 6 inch, it is not 9 feet 6 inch. So we have to change it orientation once again. Okay, so I will just delete it, make an offset of 8 feet 6 inch. Here you can see that I have made an offset. Then we have to first of all trim this part, so it can't it will not make any problem. Then we have to make a 9 feet 9 inch wall, just make an offset of it. Then we have to extend once again, and our we have extended properly. Then after you can see that it has been properly made our first plan. Okay, this part has been completed. Now we have to offset here downward. So how to offset it perfectly? We will be then after cutting this part, the inner part for the door, first of all we will be just modeling it perfectly and see the details. Okay, as we have offset it here 10 feet downward, then we have pressed here 6 feet interior wall. Then we have to press here as the 7 feet 11 inch as the interior this distance. You can see that for the kitchen also 7 feet 11 inch, and for this toilet part it is also 7 feet 11 inch. Just to go to our plan, in this plan we have to choose here as the offset O, or there is option present here as the this option in the modify is present here as the offset. Just choose as the O. Then after we have to just drag here and press here as the 7 feet and 11 inches, and press enter. Then after we have to just drag this part downward, and once again drag it downward for the 6-inch internal wall, and you can see that the wall has been perfectly made. Then after we have to just go to our plan, and this is been perfectly made. Now you can see that 6 feet 5 inch wall is been present. We will be extending it downward, and then after 9 inch, 6 feet 5 inch, offset it about 6 feet 5 inch. It is the very easy steps. Whatever I am doing, if you do that, then it will be very easy for you. After 6 feet 5 inch, we will be making an exterior wall as the 9 inch. Okay, after that we have to just extend it, ex extend, and just extend this part. Okay, you can see that it has been extended properly. Same way we have to extend this part also to properly get adjusted here. Then after we will be, you can see that our main walls are been made. Now we will see the further part, that is the distance between this part. Okay, this kitchen is about 6 feet, 6 feet in length, 6 feet in the width, and this is 5 feet. So we will be going to our plan. In it we have to just offset it as the 6 feet, enter it, and we have to go here 6 feet, enter it, and you can see that our line has been made. Then after we have to just make an offset of the 6 inch and press enter. Then after we have to just trim this part. Okay, just trim this part. You can see that the kitchen area has been perfectly made. Same way we have to add for this toilet part. It is about 5 feet in width, so we will be just making it here as the 5 feet, here the 6 inch as the interior wall. Okay, just trim it wherever required here. Here you have to trim once again. If you have by mistakenly trimmed this part, then don't worry, just Control Z and it will be regained. Just drag and select it, and the same way we have to drag here, select it, and delete this part. Then after is the opening part, we have to delete this part also. We have to make an offset of about now we will be making this staircase area, this part here, a study room. Just trim this part. Okay, this part is not required now, so we have to trim this part. Whatever is not required, we have to just trim it, so it will be it will be easy for our modeling of the further details. Just trim that not required part, means this we have to trim this, as it is will come under our wall and making a problem. Just delete it by trim tr, and just select it and trim as per your demand. Okay, wherever required, just select it and trim. Here you can see that we have trimmed whole the area. Now we have to add this study room part. Here you can see that 6 feet 5 inch has been added, but this width is about 8 feet. How to add this 8 feet? Just we have trimmed it properly. Now just offset it, that is the 8 feet. Enter it, and once again just drag this part here, and then after there is a 6-inch interior wall. Press 6 inch, and we have to extend this part of here. Once again we have to extend this part. We have to just drag this part above. You can drag this control Z. You can just select it, and if you put click on this part and just move above in the ortho mode on. Okay, this ortho mode should be on. Just click on it, and you can see that we can lengthen this part. Just extend this part also, this column, this wall also extend it. Then TR enter and select it, and delete whatever part you don't require. Same way we have to delete it. Then after this part has also been made, we will be now making this staircase part. The staircase part is made because in the staircase part you must know that for the staircase we have to take here as the 9-inch wall. Okay, here also and here also, wherever the staircase is present, we have to take the 9-inch wall. Just go to this plan, so you there is a proper uh, detail will be there. Okay, offset it, and support will be there. 9-inch wall will be present. Just select and drag downward. Then we have to just select this part also and move downward. Then EX extend, and you can see that it has been extended. We have to trim the unrequired parts. Okay, then after we have to just mark here whatever the details are being present. EX enter, and place here. You can directly add here also, extend, and trim this part. After that we can move further. That we have made this part. You can see that in it we have added all these parts. Now we will be adding the more details to it. So what detail we will be adding? Now we have trimmed also. Now we will be making the door part. Here you can see that in our as per our plan, we have completed our step 1, that is the set unit and the limit. Then after we have completed the step 2, that is the create layers. We have added all the layers. Okay, you can see here we have added all these layers. Okay, totally 8 layers have been added. Then will be seeing the further part, start plan layout, step 3, that we have made for the bedroom. We have just put all the dimension here properly. We have made the staircase part. So first of all you will be now making the staircase, how it is looking. Okay, so some detail of it are being given. For this model we will be making a dogleg staircase. So what is a dogleg staircase? Dogleg staircase is like this. Okay, what is a dogleg staircase? Simple calculation tips. These are some detail of it. This is the dogleg staircase. We have to see, we can see here, this is the plan view, this is the section view, and this is the 3D view. Okay, this is called as the landing part. This is landing part. This is called as the crest. Okay, then we will be seeing the further that what is it. So I will just zoom in here. Here you can see that this is a plan view of this what say our staircase. Here first of all I will show you what are the details that are being present for this staircase. You can see that its distance is about 6 feet 2 inch, and the width is about 6 feet. So we will be taking here as a offset of this line as the 3 feet and 3 feet. Okay, 3 feet from this side, 3 feet from this side, and a 2 inch of this distance between both of it. Okay, so for that just we will be just taking here as the layer as the staircase. In it we have just click on this line, or just offset it, O enter. Then we have to just put here as the 3 feet as the offset, and we will be making a line here. First of all, make a line for the staircase. Then after we have to offset it, that is the 3 feet. We have to choose if more than 2 lines will be applied here on a same line, then it will be shown like that of option. Okay, then after we have to just drag this part also and place here. Same way we have to drag here this part for the 3 feet. Okay, and we can just tr enter and trim this part, trim this part, trim this part. Okay, you can see that it has been made a perfect detail line. Okay, then after you can see that we generally take here as the 3 feet by 3 feet as the landing part here. We will be now making the further detail. So for the further detail, we just drag this part and make it a layer of the staircase, and we will be deleting this part of the line, and just click on delete. Then after we just make here as the offset of this line. We can just drag or extend this part like this way, and offset this to each part is been offsetted for the 10 inch. Okay, you can see here also 6 inch we have added here as the 6 inch as the thread height. We can see here as a 6 feet 6 inch. Here we have added the 20 steps, that is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 and 7, that is the 14 15 16 17 and 18. We added the 18 steps, so we'll be dealing all of these steps in detail. Then we have to just offset it for the 6 inch. We will be seeing how we can take this 6 inch, or why we take it. Just select it and put here as a 6 inch, and we have to make about 17 steps. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 7 and 7, that is the 14 steps. Just tr enter and select this part and delete it. Okay, same way we have to just select this part also, it has been added by mistakenly. Okay, just delete this part also. Then we have to just press an L line and take the midpoint of it and make this line. As you see here that it has been added only the 14 steps, and this is the landing area, right? But as per our plan, as our distance are very low, here you can see that it is the 6 point this is the 6 feet and this is the 6.2 feet. Okay, but we want it to minimum we want about 18 steps to cover the 3 meter of the height. So we will be making here as the line as of this plan. You can see that we have added the stairs in this direction also. We have just gone up here and make this part, then this part, and we have added the stairs also here also. Just select it, just choose the line here, then just select this part, this end point, send escape once again, just once again drag it and place here. You can see that the staircase has been made perfectly. Okay, now we will see the further detail, like why we take this part only, and all these things. This is basically a dogless staircase. This is the mid landing whatever we have added. It must be about 3 feet. Okay, this distance, that is this part, like here from this end to this end should be 3 feet, and this end to this end should be 3 feet, and inner part is about 0. That is about let's say 2 inch. Okay, so the total distance of this has been came as the 3 feet plus 3 feet, that is the 6 feet, and this 2 inch distance, that is about 6 feet 2 inch, and this is the height here we have taken, length we have taken. As of now we will see the more detail of it, what is it, and as our overall size is 6 feet by 6 feet 6 inch across 6 feet by 2 inch. The stairs width is about 3 feet we have taken. The riser height is about 6 inch, that is the 150 mm. The thread height, it is about 250 mm. Okay, that is the 10 inch. The staircase is placed so that it does not disturb the circulation or the privacy. Okay, just I will show you what is the thread and what is the riser. The riser here, it is about, here you can see that it is the staircase, dogless staircase. Here you can see that the vertical part, this vertical part whatever is coming like this vertically, it is called as the riser, and this horizontal part like this here, you can see here, it is called as the thread. Okay, this thread over which we put the steps, these are the step part, that is the thread we call them, and the height it increases is called as the riser. So basically how the calculation is done here, generally our floor height we take it about 10 feet or about 3 meter. 3 meter means about 10 feet. Okay, and total you can take it as the 12 feet also, but we generally take it as the 10 feet. Okay, and here you can see that this is the section part, section about AA. Here it is the column. This is the mid landing part, and these are the staircase. You can see that here you can see that total 20 staircase are being present. This is the section view. This is the riser. This part is the riser. Then this is the thread. This is the riser. This is the thread. We can calculate the minimum amount of the thread height. We take it as the 10 feet, 10 inch. Okay, and the riser height we take a minimum as the 6 inch. So the how to calculate the thread, how to calculate the riser, how the number of the risers means the number of the stairs. To calculate the number of stairs, we have a formula to calculate number of stairs, where it is. To calculate number of stairs, there is a formula, that is the uh, total height divided by risers. Means the formula came here as the total height, that is the 3 meter, or let's say about 120 feet. 10 feet means 10 feet. 10 feet means about 1 feet is about 12 inch. So divide multiply it by 12. So your value has came as the 120 inches. 120 inches divided by means the total floor height has been came as the 120 inch. Okay, so we have to calculate now the number of the steps. So basically this number of the steps are dependent on the riser size. We take here as the riser size as the 150 mm is the 6 inch risers. Just divided by 6, you can get it as the value as the 20. If you if you want 18 steps only, then 120 divided by 18, then we'll get the 6.666 size of the riser. So basically here we have taken here as the size of the riser as the 6 inch. You can see here as the size of this riser is about 6 inch. Okay, if you are not able to see the dimension properly, just type DIMSTY. Then after just click on enter. Then a window of the dimension style manager will open. In it we have to choose here as the new. Here place the new style name as the 01. Then continue. Then after the window will of the new dimension style 01 will open. In it we have to choose here as the symbol as the architectural tick. Okay, and then after here the arrow size we will be choosing here as the 3 or 4 inch. Let's say 4 inch. As we are dealing in the feet and inches format, we have to put the values here in the inches only. Here then we have to choose here as the text height as the 8 inch. Just enter it, and you can see that the 8 inch height has been entered. Then after we have to go to this primary unit. In this fit we don't need to change anything, just to go to this primary unit. In this primary unit we have to see the linear dimension unit format. That is the we have to choose here as the architectural, and as for the feet and inches we choose here as the architectural, and for the meter and all that we choose here as the decimal. So we will be choosing here as the architecture. Precision should be 0 feet 0 inches. Then after we can see that for the next step, that just click on OK, and your dimension are being set. To set the dimension, here just click on this set current and just click on close. Then after your dimension are being set, just when you just drag here and see that the details are being seen. Here you can see that the 6 feet 6 inch length of this height is being present. Same way we can see the riser size here as the 6 feet 6 inch. Like this way it actually work. You have cleared with how it actually made. Just tr enter, and just select this part and delete it, as it is not that much required now. Okay, this is the stair parts. These are the triangular stairs been present here for because our actually it is the very small size. This is present basically this is the landing part present, and we have to take this till here. It may come till here, because to calculate the total 18 steps we have to just drag 2 steps away here. Also we can just offset it as the 6 inch. If we as if was it is the bigger size of the building, then we should be offsetting it forward 2 things, and we will be just making this as the landing part. But as this is the short plan, then we just trim this part. We will be just making like this way, so to adjust all these details. Then after we just trim whatever that is not required, and we'll be making here as the segment of the staircase. We will be making it later on. Just now we will be adding the doors. How to add the doors? Wherever the doors are being present, the doors are being present here. You can see that this is the main door, then this is the study room door, then this is the toilet door, this is the kitchen door, this is the bedroom 1, bedroom 2 door. Just go here to our plan, and you can see that there are two types of the door. The main door that is about 3 feet, and the inner doors, as it is a small building, small size, we have taken it as the 2 feet 6 inches doors. Just go to our plan. In this plan we have to make the door. To make the door we have to just first of all go to this layer icon here. We have to choose the door. In this door we have to choose the first of all rectangle, and specify first point. Here we have to specify the second, just for the width we will be taking here as the 1 inch, then tab, or 1 inch, and then tab we will be taking here as the height as the 2.5 feet tab, and we will be just zoom in, and you can see that this is the detail are being seen properly. You can just click on enter. Then after we have to just press here as the arc. In go to this draw, choose here arc, and in it we have to choose here as the center start radius, and we have to choose this point, and just select it. We should be on with the ortho, and you can see that our door has been made perfectly. Like this way we make the door. This is the 2.5 feet door. Now we will be adding for the 3 feet door. How to add the 3 feet door? We have to just choose here as the rectangle. Once again, just drag it here, choose as the 1 feet or 2 feet, whatever you want. Just I will choose as the 1 feet. Here we will be taking as the 3 feet as the distance of this arc, and just click on enter. After tab, then we have to just choose here as the in the arc we have to choose here as the center start end. Just click it. We have to choose as the 2 point here, and just select this part, and you can see that the arc has been made and the door has been perfectly made. Like this way add the door part. We can increase this size to 2 inch also, okay, but I will let it be. Then after we will be just moving further with making the window. So for this we will be making the window directly here only. So first of all we will be just placing this door to their original position or wherever required. Just select them, and you can make a block here. Just select them, or just directly go to this block here, click on this create block. Then a window will open of this block dimension. Here we have to choose as the door 1. Okay, here we have to pick the point. We will be choosing this base point. Here we have to choose the select the object. Here we just drag it and select it, and just click on enter, and you can see that it has been selected properly. Just click on OK, and after that we can just select it properly here, and you can see that it has been made in the form of the block. Same way we can add for this door 2. So for this door 2 we just go to this create. In create we just select the create block. In it we just put here as the door 2. In it we have to just choose here as the pick point. In this pick point we have to choose this point. Then after we have to go to this select object. In this select object we have to just drag here and select this part, and just click on enter. Then after you can see that it has been selected properly. Just click on OK, and you can see that it has been made with the 2 blocks as the door 1 and the door 2. Okay, now we'll move further. We'll be adding here as the this part. So as we are made into a block form, just CO enter. We will be making a copy of it at this end point. Okay, select this point, and then just directly move on here. Then choose this reference part, and drag this downward. You can see that it has been dragged this part, dragged here, but we don't want here. We just off this ortho, and just go here to this end point here, and just drag downward, and here you can choose the 2 points, and on this ortho here, or let it be, just drag it downward, and you can get this point. Okay, then after we just choose this point. Okay, then after just escape it, and select this block, and mirror it. Just choose here as the mirror option, EMI, or here is the option of the mirror, or you can directly tab EMI, and select this part, and on this ortho, so it can make it to a 90-degree format. And it is saying that erase the source object. Yes, I want to erase the source object because it is overlapping here. Just click on yes, and you can see that the door 2 has been perfectly made with the same dimension. Okay, then after we will be adding the main door. Okay, here go to this. Here you can see that it is the main door, bigger door. We have to just move it because it is not that much required now. Only one copy is required. Then after we have to just drag it and place it here, and you can see that the door 2 has been perfectly made. Main door, it is the main door. Then after we have to add this here a door and here a door. So to add a door here, we have to make a line first of all. Just to make a line or extend this line, just extend it to this part. Okay, for extend ex into enter, you can extend it properly. Then after we have to just drag this part also for the offsetting it. Then after we have to just select this this and CO enter. We have to choose this point of this ortho and select this part. Then we have to rotate this, select it, and here is the option of the rotate, or you can directly tap as the arrow and enter. Here we have to just select the base point, and here on the ortho for the 90-degree format. Here you can see that the door has been perfectly made. Like this way we can make the door. You can see that the door is like this made here. Same way, just select it, just press M, enter, Control Z, just select it, M, enter, and just drag this part, choose this point, and just place it here. And you can see that the door has been perfectly made. Like this way we make a door here. The same way we have to copy this door, because the same orientation is placed for this study room doors door also. Just choose this point. Then after we have to just choose this point also, and you can see that the door has been perfectly made here. Same way we have to add a door here. So for that we need to extend this line here. Then after we have to just select this part, CO, enter. We have to just choose here of this ortho mode, and then move here. Then select this, arrow rotate, or you can directly mirror it format, you can directly mirror it, EMI, and choose this point, and on this ortho choose this EMI, and on this ortho and choose as no. Here we have to once again mirror it, EMI, enter, and you can choose here as the no. Here we can delete this two part, and here just select this part. Then after we have to just move here, click on M and enter. Then we have to choose the base point of it and just drag it and place it downward like here, and you can see that the door has been perfectly made for this kitchen part. Like this way we make our doors. Okay, now to make this look nice, and we want to trim this part. So how to trim it? Just TR enter. Then or you can directly choose this trim tool from here as a scissor format. The scissor symbol has been seen here. Just drag it, and you can see that a door has been door part has been cut. Okay, like this way we can trim it in this door format. Then we have to move forward. As our doors are being made, the staircase part has also been made. Now the windows, what are the windows and where are they present? You can see that there are basically three types of the windows. That is the window 1 with the 3 feet of the distance. You can see that window 1 is been present only here only. Window 2 is about 4 feet. These are the standard sizes of the window. That is the 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet and 6 feet are the standard sizes. Okay, here for the ventilator we take it as the 2 feet. Here you can see that for this toilet part we have chosen here as the for the ventilation we have added a window that is about 2 feet. Okay, so for now we will be adding for this kitchen as a window 2, window 1, and here we will be adding window 2. Okay, so first of all we will be adding window 2. So it is present in this part, so we will be just select this part, move it inside here. Okay, now just TR enter and trim this part also. You can just directly trim this, and you can see that all the geometry of your is cleared. Then after we have to just make a line enter. We have to choose the midpoint. If this option is not showing of the midpoint, then we have to just on this snap cursor, it is the snap cursor option present. It is if it is not shown here, you can directly go to this customize bar. In this customization, we can directly choose here as the this is the snap for snap mode. You can see that this is the snap mode. This is not the snap mode. It is the 2D object snap. It is the 2D object snap. You just choose it, and here you can see that it has been on here. After that, we have to just choose this side cursor here and on this part, okay, to be perfectly get all these values. Now for the window, first of all we change the layer. We have to change the layer to this window text here. Then after we have to just drag and drop here the 9-inch wall. Then we have to offset it properly as the 2 feet in each side, because the total window size is about 4 feet. So we'll be placing it as the 2 feet here, 2 feet here, 2 feet here, okay. Then after we have to just make a line, enter. It is the simple way of making a window, okay. Just select it and delete it, and you can see that your window has been made perfectly. You can add a different types of the windows also, don't worry about it. Then after we will be making the kitchen window. It is the same window size of the 4 feet. Just choose here as the enter. Then we have to specify here the midpoint. Then here the we have to just make a perpendicular line to it. Then we have to offset it as the 2 feet, 2 feet above and 2 feet below, 2 feet upward, 2 feet downward. Then we have to make a line here. Just escape it, just to make a line L, and then we have to choose the 2 point here. Just enter it. Then after we have to just drag it and delete it, this part. You can see that the window has been perfectly made here also. Same way we have to add a window here, enter. Then we have to choose this point, select this part, then offset it about 2 feet. Just offset it above and below. Then we make a line here at this midpoint. Just select it, just drag it here and delete this part, and you can see that the window has been made perfectly here. Same way we have to make a 3 feet window here. So for that we have trimmed it properly, and you can see that we can get this midpoint of this room. We are currently making the windows at the midpoint of these rooms, okay. So just select this part and just make a line here, escape it, then click on O, enter. For the offset we have to make it as the 1.5 feet, enter. And you can see that it has been 1 feet 6 inch here, this side, 1 feet 6 inch this side, okay. Then enter. Then after we have to just drag and drop it like this way. Just select this part and delete it, and you can see that the window has been perfectly made. All these windows are been perfectly made. Window 2s are been made, window 1 is made. Now the ventilation window here for this toilet part is, so we need to add. Just select a line here, line tool. Then after we have to choose this point. Then just put here as the extension line. Just make a point here, then in perpendicular line here. Then offset it and the 1 feet format above, 1 feet below. Then make a line here, enter. Then we have to choose here as the line and just drag it and place it here, and you can see that line has been made. Just select this part and delete it. You can see that the windows have been perfectly made. Like this way we make the windows. Now we can see, delete this part, it is not that much required. Now the main part of this has been completed. You can see that our main drawing has been completed. Now the remaining part is like that, the furniture, adding text and the dimension, and the showing the direction of the staircase also. It is required, means very few steps are required, they present. 70% of the work we have completed. Just to go to our plan 3. In this plan 3, this plan currently we have to deal here further with the dimension. So for this dimension, you can see here in our plan also that step 4, that is the apply the thickness, we have completed. Step 5, that is the draw the doors, we have completed. Step 6, that is to draw the windows and the ventilators, we have added for the different sizes of the doors, windows here. Then we have created the blocks for the doors, right. Then after here we have completed with the step 7. We need to go to the step 8, that is the add dimension. Then we will be add the text. then we will be add the hatch. Only 25 to 30% part is remaining. So now the step 8, that is the add the dimension. It is very simple, as we have set the dimension style also. Just once again type as the DMISTY for the dimension style. Just click on it and you can see that the 01 01 is being present here as the style that we have added. Just click on this modify and you can see that all these details are being present here. Just click on OK, just click on close. Now we will be adding the dimension. For the dimension, we just first of all choose here as the dimension layer. In this dimension layer, we just have to choose here as the dimension. Here in the annotation, we have to choose here a dimension, or you can choose here in this the linear dimension here, or when you directly choose this dimension, you can directly get the option here. Okay, just I will select it and place it here, and you can see that the dimension of are been now seen. How to make it perfectly? Choose this dimension. Then after we have to choose this point. Just escape it. The wrong point was been chosen. Choose the end point of it. Then once again choose this point, and you can just select this, and you can see that the dimension are been perfectly seen. That is the 9 feet 6 inch. This distance of this bedroom is present. Okay, just select it. We every time don't need to add the same detail like this. Okay, the same detail like this 6-inch wall is present here. Same way here it is about 8 feet 6 inch, and it is the 9-inch wall as the exterior wall. That's whatever we have added. Like this way it has been present, but it is the very slow part. We will be doing it in the fast way. Choose here as the dimension. Here we will be choosing this part, then we will be just putting here. Then after we just escape it, then just choose this dimension here. In it we have to just drag here on this icon here as the box, and a window will open like this of the. In it we have to choose as the continue dimension, and just drag the next point, and you can see that the dimension are now been perfectly made. Like this way we can make the dimension at a very faster rate. Okay, you can see that the dimension are now been perfectly made. Same way we have to add for the staircase area. As we know the 7 feet 11 inch this part is present, but this part we don't know, so we just choose this dimension. Here we have to just place here as the dimension of 6 feet 6 inch. Just drag it downward, and you can see that it is present here. Okay, same way we have to add here as the dimension, continue dimension. In it we have to choose this point, as this is the end point of it, 3 feet 6 inch. Then this is the 6-inch wall. Then after we have to choose here as the end point as the 8 feet, and this is the 9-inch wall. No need to add this 9-inch walls every time. Okay, just we have to go to this dimension. In it we have to choose this 2 point of this staircase, and you can see that the 6 feet 2 inch dimension is being present here. Okay, same way we have to just make a point here. Choose the second point here, just drag it and place it here. You can see that the kitchen area is 7 feet 11 inch, the same part you have seen. So the same thing we can't we should not add every time. Okay, for the dimension also. Then after we just make the inner dimension here as the, it is about 6 feet, right? It is about 6 feet. Okay, the inner walls are about 6 inches. The same way here it is about 5 feet as the toilet part. Okay, you can see that all the dimension are now been perfect added. Now we have to add the text. So to add the text, one more thing, we have to add the furniture also. First of all we will be adding the furniture, then we will be adding the text. So for the furniture, escape it once again all of this, and first of all Control S and save your model. Then after we have to choose here in the layer as the block. In this block we have to go further. Just escape it and Control 2 on your keypad, then a window will open like this. Here you can directly come to this window, or you can directly go to this come to this home page. In it, what to do, we have to go to this ENUS. Here it is the design center. All this material or the blocks are being present by the given by the software itself. Okay, and these are the default, and it is the very best part of the ATAPs, this AutoCAD, that it is been present for the free. Okay, just go to this home page. You can see that ENUS is present. Just double tap on it. Then we have to go to this design center. Then you can see that this much part we can add up. Here you can see that for this plan we will be requiring for the home space planner, house designer, and here the kitchens. How we come here, control 2 on your keypad and we will be directed to this page. Okay, home space planner, here just click on it, then we have to go to this blocks. Here you can see that the different uh, this furniture are present here, like the bed is present. Just drag and paste it here, move it here, and you can see that the bed has been made. Same way we have to press this, choose this chair, and it has been made here. Just choose here as the lamp. Then after you can choose the dining set, as this is the small house plan, so dining we will be not adding, because it is the space is required more. We will not choosing a sofa because the space is very low. Then after we just after this we have to go back once again. Then after we have to go to this house designer, then go to blocks. In this blocks we have to choose as this you can directly choose this much part. Okay, we will choose this sink area here, this toilet part, and here it is present the shower part. Okay, here we will be taking this much part. Okay, if you required anything there is present, you can add up as per your requirements. Okay, then can go to this kitchen. Then we have to go to this block. In this block we have to choose for the refrigerator. Just choose this refrigerator, as the fridge is the main thing in every house, so we will be adding this fridge. Then we have to add the sink area, is the sink. Then we can add for the oven area, just you can add this oven, and close this icon, and we have added all this detail perfectly. Okay, so we'll be now moving further by placing this bed in your in its particular location. Just press as the M, enter, and then after we have to choose here as this location here, and like this way we have placed our bed. Okay, the same way we can add this lamp here. Just select it, just of this ortho, and here we just go to this place. Okay, you can see that the it has been perfectly added. Same way we can add for this bedroom also. Just choose this bed, just press M, enter. Then after we have to just drag this point, end point, and just choose here this point. We have moved it, we have to copy it. Just select it, CO, enter. Then after we have to just select this part. Then we have to just choose this part. Okay, then we have to choose this part, CO, enter, and you can place this lamp part also here, or you can just directly don't place it. We will be adding here a chair area, EM, enter, and you can see that the chair has been placed here perfectly. Okay, you can change it orientation or anything you can change. Okay, like this way you make a bedroom part here completed. Then after you can add the cupboard area and all the things as per your planning you can add. Okay, then after we will be seeing that this is the kitchen part. For this kitchen part this much item are required. Okay, so but this size is very big. When I move it, here you can see that its size is very big. So just I will select them first of all, then SC, choose the, SC, press SC, enter. Then we have to choose the base point. Then we have to choose here as the 0.5, enter, and you can see that the sizes of them are reduced by half. Then as you can see that we have, there is the refrigerator, this is sink, this is the oven or the gas stove. Then we have to just press as the M, enter. Here we have to choose here as the base point and place it here. You can see that the fridge has been placed properly. Same way we have to place this two part also. So as you know that we will be placing here M, enter, the stove or the oven part here. Just we will be rotating it forward. Okay, just rotate it as per your angle. Okay, I have rotated in this way. Just choose this sink, then just move it here of this ortho. We have to deal here with this ortho and all this. Okay, just we have to select it, rotate, or just choose this point here. Then we have to choose the base point. We have to on this ortho to make it in the 90-degree format. Then just drag it, enter, place the base point here, and just drag it and choose this point. Okay, you can see that the sink has been perfectly made, the oven has been perfectly made. We can increase the size of this oven and the sink. Yes, see, enter. Then we have to specify the base. Here you can just increase as per your size, but it has been increased very much. Just once again SC, specify the base point. Here we can choose here as the 0.7, enter. You can see it has been perfectly made. Now like this way we can add this sink and all this area. We will be now making this part, that is the OTA part, that is the kitchen OTA. So basically for that we just offset it. We first of all we have to select this line, then we have to just click on offset O. We have to put here as the 2 feet as the offset forward. Okay, 2 feet distance OTA has been taken here. Okay, like this way the OTA has been made. You can change the color of this OTA also. Just choose here in the form of the block, and the size of the OTA has been changed. Okay, like this way we have made this kitchen part also. Now we will be seeing the further the this toilet part. So for this toilet part we will be adding this toilet here. Just press M, enter, move it forward here. As you can see that it is in the other orientation. Just choose the base point and place it here. Okay, then we have to choose as the SC, enter. Here choose this point. Here we have to choose here as the size of it, SC, enter. Then we have to push the scale size as the 0.8, and you can see that the size of the this toilet part has been reduced. Just choose the main part here, and just drag it here, and you can see that it has been perfectly set. You can move it forward, move it upward, and just off this ortho, move, and you can directly place here, and you can see that the toilet part has been perfectly made. But you can see that this much distance is being remade here. This is not required. Okay, you can see that it has been placed properly here. You can place it as per your wish, wherever you want, but the ventilation should be present here. Then after we have to provide the shower part, because it is the just select it, select both of this sink and the shower, press M, enter. We will move this to this part here. Then we have to just select this sink, SC, and specify the base point. Here we have to choose here as the 0.8 of its total size. Here we have to choose as the move, and put this sink here, and change its orientation to this 90 degree, like this way. Just move it backward. You can see that the sink has been perfectly placed. Same way we have to put this shower area. We have to just choose it, rotate it directly here, like this, in the 90 degree format, in the ortho mode on. Then we have to just press M, enter. We have to specify the base point, and we just choose this, and provide a reference plane here, or just off this ortho. Here just choose this reference. Here we just choose this reference, and place this shower here. You can just place drag, and choose this part. Okay, you can see that the shower has been perfectly placed here. Like this way we can paste this, put the all detail of it. Now the next part here is the study room. Study room has the table and a one chair. Chair is present, but the table is not there, so we will be adding one table, 2 feet, a tab, and it will be about 3 feet. Okay, 3 feet distance, tab, and just click on enter. You can see that a table has been made perfectly. Enter, move it like this way, or Control Z, escape it, Control Z. Then we have to place this choose this point, and you can see that it has been perfectly placed. We have to add a chair also here. Just select this chair, CO, enter. Then we have to just once again drag it, and choose this part. Okay, here we have selected it. Just select them, SC, or just we have to rotate it, RO, enter. We have to select the object. We have selected object. We have to specify the base point. Here is the base point. We should on this ortho to be in the 90 degree format. Here you can see that the table has been perfectly made. You can just increase dimension also. Okay, like this way. Like this way we can see that all the furniture has been made. Now the next part, that is the adding the text, is remaining, and providing here the orientation where it is the staircase is moving on. So for first of all we will be doing that only. Just go to this text layer, just choose this text. After this choosing this text, we have to go to this line tool. In this line tool we have to just drag this part, and move it till this midpoint. Then after choose this midpoint, and choose this till here. After this we have to just select this part and just zoom it. Then after we have to choose this polyline, or just choose this line, and then we have to choose this polar tracking. In this polar tracking we have to choose here as the 30 to 60 90 to 120. This is the degree angle. We can choose as per our requirement at what degree you want this angle. I just want it in the 45-90 degree format. Here I will just choose here as the specify the best point, and you can see that when I have just passed this format of the 150, you can see that when I just drag it and choose here as the 150 it should be 135, right? It will be coming, it is coming as the 9 inch. Same way we have to choose here as the 9 inch also, 9 inch, or escape it, just tab it once again, then once again choose here as the 135 and 9 inch. And then after you can see that it has been extended beyond it, the limit. Just delete it, this part, just delete this part. Okay, we want this till this part only, so we choose here as the ortho. Here we will choose 30 and 40, 30 60. Choose here as the line. Here we can drag and place it the line here, okay, on this orientation. Here when we just choose this part and when you drag, you can see that it will be in the perfect orientation. Okay, just choose it. It is not making it perfect. It has been in the perfect format. Then we have to just drag it here or escape it, and once again 150 degree, enter it. Then we have to put a line here, and we can directly place it here line. Okay, we can extend it, okay, like this way we can extend this line. Then we can just we need to extend it, ex, enter, then just drag it and tr, enter. You can trim this part. Okay, you can see that the orientation has been perfectly made. Now we have to put the dimension of the naming for it. So the naming will be placing here. All the details are been perfectly added. You can see that all the details are been same for this, all the same thing. Okay, one thing to note that we need to also add for the dimension, whole dimension. We just choose here as the layer as the dimension. In it we have to choose here as the this part to this part, that is about 20 feet, and this part to this end part, it is about 26 feet 10 inch. Okay, like this way it has been added. Okay, same way we can see that. Now the text part we need to add. Just select this text. Okay, just choose this multi-line text. We have to choose this multi-line text. Then we have to just drag it, and we should off this ortho on this ortho, and just drag it here. In it we have to put here name as the bedroom. First of all we have to change the layer of it. We have to choose here as the text layer, and in it we have to choose here as the bedroom 1, and its dimension are, first of all we have to take the width and then the length. So the width is 9 feet 6 inch cross, that is the 10 feet 10 feet. And you can see that the dimension has been perfectly added. Now to add this into the center, we just choose in this paragraph, we have to choose this center. Just after putting that, you can see that the center has been added. You can see that the orientation of it has been very much, so we will be just reducing its distance here of this text. You can see that it has been added perfectly. Now the size of it is very low, so we have to change the size of it. So choose here as the 1 feet and enter it. You can see that the size has been very much bigger, so we will be reducing it to 8 inch, and just pressing here as this. You can see that it has been perfectly added now. Okay, the bedroom one 9 feet 6 inch cross 10 feet has been perfectly added. Same way we have to enter CO and specify the base point. We just specify the base point, and we will be now copying all of this to this whole area. Okay, select it, drag it, and place the text. Okay, like this way. Here also the slab is stair is present. Okay, this is the lobby area. Here we will be adding here as the study room. enter, and its dimension are about 8 feet, 8 feet, and this side dimension is about 6 feet 5 inch. After that, just press enter, press on click, and you can see that the dimension has been added. To see it perfectly here, just move it downward. You can see that the study room text has been perfectly added. As per your choice, you can put the text. Here we have to choose here as the bedroom 2, and its distance is about 8 feet 6 inch, cross 10 feet. You can see it here as the 8 feet 6 inch and 10 feet. Then after we will see for this kitchen part, we just choose it and press here as the kitchen. In this kitchen we will be just adding here as the dimension of it as the 7 feet and 11, this first of all 6 feet here, and just press here as the 6 and feet symbol which is present on the keypad. Then after in this we have to choose here as the 7 feet and 11 inches, and you can see that the kitchen part has been completed. Then we have to choose here as the lobby or the open space, open space, open space or the lobby, and press enter. Here we no need to add the dimension, it is the open space, right? So for that we will not add the dimension. Here the toilet part area is present, we have to just choose it and press the toilet, and its orientation distance is about 5 feet cross 5 feet cross 7 feet and 11 inches, 7 feet 11 inches, and you can see that the orientation has been perfectly set and all these detail are be set. Now the main part is remaining here. When the large amount of content is present here in the same format, then you can just you can get a selection type here, and you can see that two types of the selection are present, em text and the line. I want the em text, so I will choose the em text, and in it we will just double tap it here, and here we will be choosing here as the staircase, and here the orientation is about 6 feet 6 inches. It is the fastest way of making a plan. Just choose here as the 6 feet and here 2 inches, and after that we just click on it, and we have to change its orientation. So for this changing the orientation, we have to choose here in the ortho mode on, and just drag it above, and we need to move it here upward. We can directly enter and choose this point here of this ortho, because it will not able to move it properly in any direction. Okay, this open space is present. Like this way we have completed all the detail of ours. Control yes first of all, then we will see the further detail whatever are required. In this text format you can see that all these detail are being added, but one thing is remaining, that is the window 2, window 1, and this ventilation details are not been added. So how to add it? Just we have to go to this text text here. In this text we have to choose here as the W, or if you don't want to repeat all the steps once again, just CO enter and place it here, and double tap on it, and just choose here as the W1. This window was for the W2, as maximum are for the W2. Okay, window 2 is about 3 feet 6 inch, window 2 is about 4 feet. Okay, and window 1 is about 3 feet. So it will be just choose it, drag it here, and we have to copy it once again, and choose here the wherever required points. You can see that it has been oriented here. I don't want it here to orient. It's giving us that much option because its size is very much bigger of this gap. Just drag it and place it here, enter. Just drag it and place it here, CO, and press it here. Choose this point, this ventilator part here. There this is the window 2 part, this is the window 2. Okay, I want to change here the name for this as the this is the 3 feet window, we have to change here as the window 1. Okay, then after we have to choose here as the V only, capital V for the ventilation ventilators. After that you can see that all the details have been perfectly added. Now only the one part is remaining, that adding the notes and adding the hatch. So first of all we will be seeing how to add the hatch. So for the adding the hatch, here it is the option as the hatch. Okay, just choose this hatch. After choosing this hatch, a window will open of this hatch creation. In it, we have to first of all go to this form. In it, we have to choose the hatch creation here, and then we have to go to this hatch. Here the hatch creation window will open. This is basically the ribbon area. You can here you can see that this is the home page. Okay, this is the ribbon area. In it, here you can see that in the menu bar, here is the hatch creation window has opened. Then we have to choose here as the solid. In this solid, we can just directly choose the part, and it will be highlighted in this format. Okay, it has been hatched. Just like this, you can see it properly. The part are been hatched. Okay, like this way we have hatched all the parts. Okay, one part is remaining here. Okay, once again hatch it. Just close it. Once again hatch. This the specified point is located on an object. So it is saying that the specified point is located on an object. So looks like there is a problem here. So what we will be doing, we will be adding a line here first of all. Just after that, we have added a line. Then after we just go to hatch. In hatch we will just place it, and you can see that no detail are been present here. Like this way it works for the hatch part. Control S, and we will be now seeing the further part of the adding the note. So what are the note, that the dimension and what are the things that are present. So for that we have to just click on this multi-line text, or you can just directly choose here as the CO, and enter, and you can just copy here, just drag it here. You should make this window bigger now, and choose this as this part. This in the paragraph we have to choose here as the default. In it we have to choose here as the note, and colon. Here you can add the notes, that is the exterior wall thickness. Exterior wall thickness, here we will be taking here as the is equal to 9 inch. Interior wall thickness, interior wall thickness we will be taking here as the 6 inches. Then after we will be seeing for the further part of the dimension. Here we have added the two types of the doors, D1 and D2. So D1 size we have taken here as the 3 feet. Okay, the D2 size we have taken as the 2 feet 6 inches, and the window size we have taken here as there are basically three types of the window, W1, W2 and V, that is the ventilators. Just put here, and we will be putting here as the 2 feet. Then for the window 2 it was about 4 feet. For the window 1 it was about 3 feet size. Okay, after that we like this way we will be adding the note. Okay, it is very much important step to be adding the note. You can see that the note has been added here. Now the further part, that is the CO, enter. Here you can just type a name here as the floor plan 2 or floor plan 3, that is what its size, that we take it as the 20 feet cross. Its size is about 27 feet. We take it as the approx as the 27 feet as the floor plan 3. Okay, like this way it actually works. So to make it more bold format, just choose this here as the double tap the text and choose this bold, and you can see that the text has been bolded in the form. You can directly choose here as the 10 inch as the distance, this size of this text. Then after you can see that all the details have been perfectly added. Control S, and you can see that the same plan we have added here, and the same plan is been made. Okay, the complete floor plan is now been completed. So go to our model here, details here. The step 8, that is the add dimension, completed. Step 9, that is the add text notes, is completed. Step 10, that is the hatch walls, is completed. Step 11, that is the export as the PDF format. Now this is the very important step, as after covering all the steps, Control S once again, we need to export it, right? So how to export it into the PDF format? There are basically three types. We can directly plot type as the plot, enter, then the same window, then the window of the plot will open like this, and here we have to put the uh, these options, and all these detail will be taken. Then the second option is here, the print format. Here you can see that the printer is being seen here. After clicking on it, you can see that the same layout is being seen of the plot model. Then after we have to just type here as the print, print, enter, the same window will open of the plot model. Okay, these are the three steps we can directly on this plot. Okay, then after in this printer plotter, in this name we have to choose here as the DW to PDF. In the paper size we have to choose the ISO as per your type. You can choose. I am going to choose here as the ISO E3 297 cross 420 mm. After that we have to choose here as the plot area. Here I will choose here as the window, and here we will be just choosing whatever the part we need to take in the form of the PDF. We just drag it, and you can see that it has been in the taken. Okay, you can then after in the plan offset you have to just center the plot. In the drawing orientation we have to choose here as the landscape. In it the preview you have to see. You can see that this the preview is being seen perfectly like this will be seen in the colorful format, but we don't want it in the colorful format because it is not visible as the colors are very light. So we'll be making it in the black and white format. It will be the best option. So in this to choose here in the black and white format, the plot style table will open here. In this plot style table we have to choose here as the monochrome.ctp for the black and white print. Just choose it, and here the question will come as the assign the plot style table to all the layout. Here we have to choose here as the yes. Then after we have to choose once again as the preview, and you can see that the layout is being seen perfectly like this. Okay, like this way we can see that this is the printable format we can see. Then close it by clicking on it. Here the scale will be taking it as in the format of the inch or mm. We will be taking it as the inch format. You can see that it is being in this format, so we will be taking it in the mm format only, whatever the detail are present. Then we just click on OK, as we have chosen as the DW to PDF, size as the ISO A3, and here we have chosen the window. We have seen the preview. Here we have set the center the plot, and the monochrome.ctv we have choose. Here we have to just click on OK, and we need to save the file wherever we want. I just want to save this file to this making video plan day 3. It's the day 3, right? Plan 3, and I will be placing here the plan 3. Just click on save and close it, and we once again to see it perfectly, control S. Then once again go to this file menu. In this we have to choose as per your where you have said open that file. Okay, I have said in this video format, and you have to choose the whichever the Chrome browser, but currently we will be choosing here as the, because currently of this net the same detail you will be seen. Okay, here you can see that the model has been seen perfectly. Okay, the floor plan whatever you added is been seen perfectly. The same plan you can send to the client and see the whether the all the detail are been perfect, and then we will be making the further detail of it, the master plan. Okay, so this is the basic plan. So like this way we have completed our the floor plan 3, that is the 20 feet cross 27 feet floor plan. Like this way we have completed our all the 11 steps, and that's it. This is the day 3, and we have seen the 20 cross 25 floor small house design that was about 25 million views were present on it. So we have seen how we modified it perfectly, and made a detailed AutoCAD step by step video. Okay, like this way we will be making for the day 4 also. So let's get started with the day 4 tomorrow, and stay connected. And one more thing, that if you want to be learning the structure, means the structural details and all these things, the softwares like the ETAB, StatPro and all that, I have launched a course that is the complete ETAPS course, which is present on Udemy platform. Okay, so basically in it I have taught about six model. No one has taught about six model. They taught about one to two model, and explain the details. I have made it 16-hour content, and in it I have explained each and every step, what are the steps, and it is a complete ETAPS course, where we have seen the modeling, analysis, and designing part for each and every model. Total six model we have taken. Then we have chosen here as the advanced part also we have completed here, and more advanced part will be also been completed. If you are interested in ETAPS, then you can get this course on this Udemy platform, or you can get this course from the bio of my YouTube channel or the description box of this video, and get this course at a minimal price. If you get on this page, then you can go here downside in the description box here, and I will paste here the presented coupon, and when you paste this coupon here, you will get this course at a very minimal prices. Okay, so if you are interested in the structural projects like the ETAPS and all that, you can take this course. Okay, it is a complete ETAPS course. Here we will see the six models. It is a very minimal prices. It is present at a very minimal prices. In the offline classes, offline courses, it will be for the very much high prices. It will be about 15 to 20,000. Okay, and currently we have an offer here. If you come to our here this page, when you go to our YouTube channel link, and just go to the bio, and just tap on that link, you will get directed to this page here. Then after, you just scroll down, and here you can get the in this description, if the coupon code is present, just select it and place it here, and then after, you can get the course at a very minimal prices. Okay, like this way. We have seen what we are going to see in this ETAPS course. If you are interested, you can join our course. And that's it. We will be meeting in the day 4.